Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be mixing these slimes that I made all today, especially this one, but I'll be mixing half of them so then I can always have them to remember. So I'm gonna mix this half, put this half back. Take my blue slime, even though I got a little mix with the pink already. I'm going to mix, hold on. Wait. I'm going to mix this half. Get my pink one. I'm going to mix this half. And I'm putting it on top of each other. Already. See? So, for this purple, I am going to mix this half. For this pink, I'm going to mix this half. For this blue, mix a little tiny bit like this. So, I'm going to mix this half. Now, since I put the rest of my slimes away in here, this is how it looks fuller. So I'm going to put it, I think I'll mix a little bit more blue. Because I don't want that big much slime. Mix a little bit more. Go mix a little bit more of each color that was big. Okay. So now I'm gonna put it away. Then I'll play with it later. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna mix all this. Let's see which color it looks. Oh my god. It's like so cool. Right now it looks like a galaxy, if you can see it. Ooh! Okay, so it looks, hold on. Alright guys, this is how it looks. Looks so pretty. I don't want to mix it all the way in because then, yeah. I just want to make it like that. It's a little ball, bouncy, 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 bouncy. Ooh, ooh. Oh man, fell on the floor. It's all good. So. It looks so cool. I'm going to be putting this baby in a Ziploc bag. Right here, the Ziploc bag. Okay. Bye guys. Bye guys.